y'all, it is Christina with Dirt Road Diva. One of the first things I wanted to show you in our new home, I wanted to do a separate short video on because it's just really unique. This is the stone sink that my husband made. Let me get back a little further view and show you what it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. It started out weighing, I believe, 860 pounds. And then he chiseled it down, as you can see the detail. And he carved it out on the inside. It took 7 great big strong men to put it in place. So what we did is we put several layers of a sealer over it to protect it, make it a little bit more slick and easy to wash down and clean. We've been very happy with it so far. And then on a stone sink like this, you just want to do a side mounted faucet. So we have this pretty copper faucet, and as you can see, you might wonder, like, well, would it be hard to clean around the sink, stuff like that? There's plenty of room to get around. And I have the drain in place. Let me get that out of the way. And there's plenty of room to set large dishes in. I got out the largest pot that I have to show you. So anyway, that is it. Our bathrooms are also going to have stone sinks. They are mounted on the top rather than sat in like this one is. I will say one tricky part is getting your cabinetry to work along the rough edge, but we have a dear friend who is a very skilled carpenter who helped scribe all of that out so beautifully. So anyway, that is our stone sink. We're working on the video for the stairs and some other things that we've done, but I wanted to take a minute and do a separate video and show you our sink. And maybe it will give you some motivation to do something unique and different in your kitchen as well. Thank you guys, and have a fabulous day.